Hey there, vacuum enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the world of cordless vacuums to help you find the perfect match for your cleaning needs. We'll explore some top-notch options together. And, hey, don't forget to check out the links in the description for today's prices. Let's key. 1. Dyson V10. The Dyson V10 cordless vacuum has proven to be a transformative addition to households seeking a cord-free cleaning experience. Users appreciate its low profile, allowing it to effortlessly navigate under furniture. In contrast to a central vacuum system, the Dyson offers the freedom to quickly address spills and minor cleanups without the hassle of hoses and cords. One notable advantage is its powerful cleaning capability, efficiently tackling dust, grit, and pet hair from various surfaces. Its versatility shines through, excelling on both carpets and hardwood floors. The vacuum's handheld feature and easy accessory changes further enhance its adaptability, making it convenient for cleaning tight spaces and even vehicles. While the Dyson V10's suction prowess is commendable, some users express concerns about its battery life. The non-removable battery can be limiting during initial deep cleaning sessions, requiring frequent charges. However, users find that for regular maintenance, the battery life is adequate, especially when utilizing lower power settings. The product's portability, efficiency, and ability to integrate into daily routines make it a top contender in the vacuum market. 2. Electrolux WellQ7. The cordless Electrolux stick vacuum has garnered mixed reviews from users. Some express satisfaction with its performance, particularly praising its convenience and cordless operation. Users with pets appreciate its ability to tackle constant hair and litter issues, with a light feature aiding visibility. The vacuum's solid construction, easy assembly, and efficient cleaning on both wood floors and carpets are highlighted as strong points. The battery life and various power settings receive positive feedback, though there are mentions of the dustbin size being a drawback for those with heavy shedding pets. However, there are contrasting opinions. One user reports a frustrating customer service experience, citing unhelpful responses to accessibility challenges for visually impaired customers. Despite a positive history with older Electrolux models, this encounter leads to a vow against future purchases from the brand. Another user notes shortcomings in battery life, bin capacity, and a perceived lack of premium feel compared to the price, suggesting that improvements are needed. Some emphasize the vacuum's effectiveness on hardwood floors but question its performance on carpets. Overall, while the product receives praise for its convenience, there are clear areas for improvement highlighted by various users. 3. Makita DCL180. The reviews for the Makita cordless vacuum present a mixed perspective. Some users, particularly those in construction, appreciate its portability and compatibility with Makita batteries. They find it effective for quick cleanups and mention the convenience of the swivel head. However, there are concerns about its power, especially in handling fine particulates like chalk dust or pollen. Some users had to modify it with an N95 mask for better filtration. Several reviewers expressed disappointment in the design and power compared to other cordless vacuums in the market, mentioning the lack of a soft bristle brush and the restricted suction area. Some encountered challenges with the manual, which was in Chinese, and had difficulty registering for warranty due to the product's origin in Australia. Despite criticisms, there are positive reviews highlighting repeat purchases and the vacuum's effectiveness on different surfaces. Users appreciate its compact size, making it suitable for various applications, from tile floors to car interiors. The consensus seems to be that it's a handy tool for quick cleanups, but may fall short in power compared to higher-priced models. Thanks for watching my top picks for cordless vacuums. If you're interested in checking out more details or grabbing one for yourself, find the product links in the video description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and happy vacuum shopping!